The ecological factors influencing the transmission of helminthiasis in community and treatment option, a case study of the two community of Kolwezi, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. By Kasamba I.E. Intestinal helminthiasis, a major public health problem that affects the health of primary school children in low and middle-income countries where living, water, sanitation, and hygiene conditions are precarious. Infections caused by parasitics helminths affect more than 1 billion people worldwide, causing anemia and with significant social and economic impact. To alleviate this burden, affected population resorts to a massive administration of antiparasitics without worrying about improvements in the factors that aid in spreading helminthiasis in the community. This is a cross-sectional study among the inhabitants of the city of Kolwezi on the transmission of parasitic diseases. In this study, we are proposing as objectives that of going in search of the used questionnaires, oral interviews and direct observations to determine risk factors and treatment options for the disease in two communities of Kolwezi in Democratic Republic of Congo. By on the one hand a household questionnaire and observation of the investigator, and others by a census of antihelminths in the pharmacies of the city of Kolwezi. We received 7,014 responses from households and 283 from pharmacies. It was observed from our analysis that most of the plots were clean and dry, although sometimes covered with trees and with grass. On average, 4 households, 6 children over the age of 15 and 4 children under the age of 5, and 2 toilets were observed per plot. The quality of toilets, the source of water supply, the misuse of toilet pots for children under 5 years old, as well as variations in weather conditions were the major risk factors for parasitosis in Kolwezi. Occasional stool examination revealed mainly dominated by the feeling of vomiting, fatigue, and a nocturnal cough. A small portion of the population had access to laboratory tests which, moreover, were able to observe more Ascaris lumbricoides eggs. The population resorts to self-medication with mebendazole registered trademark symbol and sometimes herbal teas and palm kernel oils. While on medical prescriptions and on the shelves of pharmacies, albumidazoles was more present. The elements of transmission having been well identified, the start of an education of the population is a necessity and constitutes the next step. The study also suggests that it is important to educate the population to modify habits that could be considered risk factors, while improving adequate environmental sanitation, emphasizing socio-cultural and educational aspects, as well as hygienic practices. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.